Well, I was born a coal miner's daughter in a cabin on a hill in Butcher Hollow. We were poor, but we had love. That's the one thing that Daddy made sure. He shoveled coal to make a poor man's daughter. Well, a lot of things have changed since way back then, and it's so good to be back home again. Nothing's changed but the floors, nothing lives here anymore, except the memories of a coal miner's daughter.
Walking these streets so long, singing the same old songs. I know if we crack on these dirty sidewalks of Broadway, hustle's the name of the game, and nice guys get washed away like the snow and the rain. There's been a load of compromise on the road to mountain rising, that I'm gonna be where the lights shining on me. You know the words as you sing, like a rhinestone cowboy riding out on a horse in the Star Spangled Rodeo, like a rhinestone cowboy eating cards and letters from people I don't even know, and offers coming over the phone, like a rhinestone cowboy riding out on a horse, the Star Spangled Rodeo, like a rhinestone cowboy eating cards and letters from people I don't even know, and offers coming over the phone, like a rhinestone cowboy.
You may think that I'm talking foolish. You've heard that I'm wild and I'm free. You may wonder how I can promise you now this love that
Well, now you can tell the world you never were my girl. You can burn my clothes when I'm gone. And you can tell your friends just what a fool I've been. Laugh and joke about me on the phone. Well, you can tell my arms go back into the phone. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. And you can tell my lips, but tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more. Oh, but don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think he'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill us. Give me some guitar. Oh, yeah. See those hands in the air? This time we want to hear you sing it. Here we are tonight. Oh, don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think he'd understand. You got it? And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this. Oh,